Hello! Today we're going to be working on creating a block indent quotation. When do you use a block indent quotation? Well, it's when you've got a line of text that you are quoting, a direct quote that is 4 or more lines in your text. And let's go ahead and look at what we've got here. Now I've highlighted the quotation so that it's easier to see. And we count them up. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. So we need a block indent quotation. This is how we're going to do it. I'm going to take my cursor and I'm going to go at the beginning of my quotation here. Now you can see we've got this phrase here, according to the article, comma, and what I want to do is I want to get rid of that comma. So I'm going to use my delete key, or my back key there, and I'm going to replace that comma with a colon. Now that I've got the colon there, I'm going to move the text down to the next line. I'm just going to hit enter, and that moves me down to the next line. Now, it's indented one tab, but I don't want that, so I'm going to hit backspace again, and now I'm going to delete the quotation marks. I don't need the quotation marks, so I'm going to get rid of those. Delete that quotation mark. I'm going to go to the end of my quote here, and I'm going to delete the other quotation mark. Now, after my citation, at the beginning of my next sentence, I'm going to hit enter again because I want to move that text down to the next line. Now I've got my entire quotation isolated here. I'm going to highlight the whole thing, and I'm going to hit the tab key. That's the tab key. I'm going to hit the tab key one time, and it's going to indent my entire quote over. Now, the reason I don't need my quotation marks is because this indentation indicates this is a quotation. There's one more change we're going to make. At the end of my quoted text, I've got a citation, and I put my period after the citation because that's where punctuation goes. Punctuation after citation, except in this case. So I need to delete that period. I need to go to the last word and put the period there before my citation. Now, this is the only instance in which you're going to use punctuation before a citation. I know it's weird and tricky, but that's how it works. Thank you so much for checking this out. I hope it was helpful to you.